You know him best for his childish smiles and crazy sayings. Andre, how you doing?
Great, bro.
That's great, bro. Too close, dude. Back up a little bit. Perfect. Coming to you live from, where are we?
Jamaica.
From Jamaica. Gonna be talking to my boy Andre here about all things Jamaica, getting a first report, hands-on experience and opinion from the source. You know him best for his childish smiles and crazy sayings. Andre, how you doing?
Great, bro.
That's great, bro. So, we're talking about Jamaica today. You ready?
Yeah.
Can you back up just a little bit from the camera? Okay, bro. First things first, what is your favorite thing about Jamaica?
Going on the monkey bars.
You love the monkey bars?
Yeah,
Wow, why do you love the monkey bars so much?
because I love climb monkey bars.
You love climbing monkey bars, and where are your favorite monkey bars located? Are they at school?
No.
No, where are the monkey bars?
They actually in countries.
Oh, in countries. Okay, all right, so we love monkey bars. How about what is your favorite food?
Crab.
Crab?
Yeah,
You love crab, like soft shell crab?
yeah.
You like, is it the spicy
No,
one?
like tough crab.
Tough crab?
Yeah.
Yeah, how do you like it cooked? Is it
Fried it.
fried crab?
Yeah, crab.
Oh, and what do you eat with the crab?
Huh?
What do you eat with the crab?
Salt.
Ooh, crab and salt. Nice. What's your favorite Jamaican drink? What do you like to drink?
Lemonade.
Lemonade?
Yeah.
Lemonade?
Lemonade.
Lemonade.
Lemonade with sugar.
Oh, with sugar.
Yeah.
Like lots and lots and lots of sugar, or just a little bit of sugar?
Just a little bit of sugar. This tip.
How much?
This tip.
Just a little bit. Okay.
Yeah.
So, you like monkey bars, you like crab, you like sugar. How about school?
No heck.
You don't like school?
I like to play at school but not do work.
Oh, how come you don't like to do work?
Because sometimes when you do work, the children them does a make nice and teacher talk to them about already and teacher gone make nice back. That's why me just like play alone.
Oh, okay.
And them a distract me from the work.
Really?
When me a count on them.
Oh, okay. Well, what did you guys count to today? How big a number did you count to?
100.
100?
Yeah.
Can you count to 100 really, really fast?
Yeah.
I bet you I can count faster than you can.
Bet.
Say bet.
Bet.
Ready?
Yeah.
On the count of 3? One,
Yeah.
2, 3, go. 1, 2, skip a few, 99, 100. I'm done. Your turn.
What did you say?
I said 1, 2, skip a few, 99, 100. And I'm done.
Take time, bro.
You take time, bro, and take your hands away from your face so people can see who you are.
1, 2, 3, 100.
Close enough. Okay, so you
Maybe like 1, 2, 3, 100.
Close enough. Okay. So what's your favorite Jamaican fruit? Or the fruit that grows here in Jamaica?
Like, I love watermelon.
Watermelon.
And banana.
And banana?
Yeah.
Did you have a banana off of our banana thing today?
Yeah.
Was it nummy?
Yeah.
Was it
no,
yummy? Nummy and yummy?
Yeah.
Oh.
But I don't like jumps food.
You don't like what?
I don't like Jum's food.
What is Jum's food?
Like when you eat something but it's not healthy.
You don't like junk food?
No,
No
I don't
way.
like fruits.
Yeah, but
Fruit make me stronger.
yeah. Didn't you just have like sweetie the other day for breakfast?
Yeah.
But you don't like it?
Nah, I don't like it.
Oh, you forced it down, huh? So what about, where do you like to go in Jamaica? What do you like to do for fun?
I like to go to hotel.
You like to go to a hotel? We might be going to a hotel soon.
When
Soon. Like, very soon.
my mother said me can go.
She said you can go.
Hey! Can me pack up my bag
Well, we're not leaving yet. We got to get through the week first.
this
But
week.
it might be this week or it might be next week.
Today?
It depends on,
Sunday.
it might be Saturday, but it depends on the weather and it depends on if Dave has any running training. But what do you like to do at the hotel?
Have fun.
Yeah, what do you...
I like to swim.
Uh-huh.
I like to sleep.
Ooh.
I like to clean.
You like to
I
clean
like
the hotel?
To climb monkey bar.
What?
I like to slide and go in the water. And
Mm-hmm.
I like to jump in the water.
You like to party at the hotel?
Yeah. Ooh, boom, boom, bum.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yeah. Boom, boom, boom.
Or what do you like to do at the beach?
Swim.
In the water?
Yum.
With the
Yeah.
fish?
Yeah.
You swim with the fish?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm ride the fish.
You ride the fish?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
How do you ride the fish?
Huh?
How do you ride the fish? You
Like,
stand on the fish or you sit on the fish?
me sit on the fish
Oh, and then what?
and ride him.
And then you gotta figure out how to get back to the land, right?
Yeah.
How do you get back to the land?
Like me swim and get back to the land.
Oh.
Or find one boat.
Oh. So, when you get older and you get my size, what do you want to do? Like, what do you want to be when you grow up? Be a banana?
Fireman? No, a doctor.
You want to be a doctor?
Yeah.
Yeah? You ready to go to lots and lots of school to be a doctor?
Yeah.
Why do you want to be a doctor?
Because me take care of people.
Oh, that's a nice thing to do. Who do you take care of right now?
Me take care of the friend
Oh,
down at school. Mm-hmm.
that's cool. Oh yeah, speaking of school, what happened today at school?
The day nice one and can't move.
When your friend was in the sun and couldn't move,
Yeah.
what did you do?
Me pull a rope.
You pulled the rope?
Uh-huh.
And then what happened?
Then they give medicine.
Uh-huh.
Then they give band-aid.
Oh, well, you need band-aids. Uh-huh.
They give alcohol cut.
Nice.
They give sparapta too.
You gave him what?
Sparapta. Like when your throats and pan enough bubbles come up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then what?
Then it get hotter.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. They give injection.
Oh, you give him an injection. Do you want to travel? Do you want to fly in a plane when you get older?
Okay. Yeah.
Andre,
Yeah.
where would you want to fly to?
No one fly go hotel.
You're going to fly to a hotel.
Yeah.
Oh, where's the hotel?
There are no
No. Where you go fly to?
hotel. No, miss. When we go on a plane, me fly go. Me fly go.
All right, you want to tell the YouTubers thanks for watching?
And then me go pork marathon.
Whoa.
And then me reach I hotel, reach and go by food place and get me one room. And then there and climb and play and do everything me want.
And then we end the episode?
Yeah! Goodbye, YouTubers. This is Andre signing out.
All right. Bye-bye.